might not be as perky as a 20-year-old, but I'm just saying. I'm just saying. I am just saying. Hi, welcome back to my channel. My name is Jester Queen Wells. Those of you who are new, welcome. I hope that you enjoy this video. I'm going to give you a lot of information and detail about something that's just been getting on my nerves. And those of you who are coming back, welcome back, girl. Glad to see you again. Don't forget to hit that bell so that you will know every time that I upload a video. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. If you want to see what I've been up to, just keep on watching. Okay, so let's talk about boobs. You know, what has been a thorn in my side for years is all these sexy outfits that have come out. And girl, trust me, I love my boobs. I really do. I love them. But sometimes when I try to get on, like, a nice little low plunging, shirt or dress or something like that, because I'm going out, I'm single now, so I'm trying to mingle just a little bit. I'm trying to wear something sexy but appropriate for my age. Well, what I think is appropriate anyway. I just been having all these problems about what to do about my boobs, and I just can't go out with them looking any kind of way. I just can't do it. Sometimes, some people have that confidence they can just toss a dress on and they can go. Sometimes if I'm in a rush or something like that, girl, I don't even care. But if I'm going out on a date night or I'm going out with the girls, I want to look just as great as they do. So what has helped me with my little problem is boob tape. Girl, I've been using this for a while. If you watch some of my other videos, you already know this has been in my arsenal for a while. No joke. This stuff is awesome. I have the nipple covers, I have the black tape, I have the tan tape. So I just want to thank Boob Tape for reaching out to me and sponsoring this video. But even if they didn't sponsor this video, girl, I already put one out talking about boob tape and how fabulous this is. So you already know. Sponsored or not, I'm telling it like it is. I love this stuff. It is absolutely perfect for any woman, any boob size. So if you want to see how I am going to get in this super sexy dress, girl, just wait for this. I've already taped myself up. I use three pieces. My boobs sit off to the side, so I am always trying to push them, to give me a little bit of cleavage in the front. But this is absolutely perfect for that. I always tell people you want to do a test, to cut a piece, put it on your skin, let it sit there, see if you break out or anything before you use this, because you don't want to be somewhere and all of a sudden you start scratching like hell and you learn that you are allergic to this tape. So always do a test just like you would with any other item. And then if you're not allergic, girl, go ahead, get the tan, get the black, depending on your boobs, get the wide tape. I love the wide tape. Even if I had smaller boobs, I probably would get the wide tape. So I've gone ahead and this is my nice little shirt right here. Of course, I did not wear my boob tape with this dress because I was going to church, girl. Got to put a bra on going to church. I didn't want any slippage. But I would have even used this boob tape for this outfit. It has skinny straps, but you certainly could have put this on a different way so it would give you a little bit of lift. But this dress is pretty big and wide and comfortable, so I wasn't worried about, giving any cleavage in it. But the dress that I'm going to show you, I did put on just so you can see how I actually tape up my boobs. I'll give you a before and an after picture, of course. But yeah, when you use this tape, you want to make sure that your body is clean of any lotion or anything like that, or it is not going to stick. So don't get the lotioning up and then put this on. Put it on first and then, girl, spray, lotion up, do whatever you need to do. But make sure you put this on first. So I'm just going to quickly show you, and hopefully I'm not going to get flagged for this, but I'm just going to show you how I went ahead and taped up one boob, of course. So I use 3 pieces of tape, and you can see from the side here, my boobs go off to the side, so I always put a piece of tape going across here. Now just remember, don't be lazy like me. I have some folds in here. You don't want to have any folds in here because you want it to look as seamless as possible underneath your clothes. So you want to make sure that you're holding your breast and then putting the tape on where it's nice and flat. There are no puckles or wrinkles or anything like that. So that's pretty much how I put it on the side. And then I went ahead and put 2 pieces right here to actually lift my breast up, so that it will give it a little bit of a kind of cleavage right here. So that's pretty much how I put that on. It even looks good in this dress, like I said, and this is customizable. You can always cut these strips before you put them on, to kind of fit your body. If you don't want this wide strip here, cut it, make it smaller. It still will do the same thing. That's one thing I love about this tape. You're able to cut it. You know, if your shirt or your blouse goes over a little bit more, you can cut the tape so that it's not going to show underneath your clothes. So I'm going to put on this dress that I have been dying to wear. I haven't worn it out yet, but this is exactly what I would do, is I would use my boob tape to put this dress on. So just stay right there. Okay, so let me just push my chair up. So this is my natural boobs. I don't have a problem with it. I love them. But if I'm going out on a date night, this is what I want to be showing. I know my tape is showing right here, so let me just pull this up. Of course, I would kind of customize it so it wouldn't, but look at that lift. Look at that lift. I have some wrinkles right here, so it's not as smooth as I want it to be, but or if I was going out, I would be taking my sweet time. But look at the lift. I mean, really, ladies, natural is good. Natural is good, but I'm saying, hey, look at the freaking cleavage. What is it that you don't like? I mean, this is perfect for your date nights. I'm saying, I'm absolutely loving boob tape. I've been using it for a while. I live in Arizona. I can put this on and don't have to worry about sweating it off or it coming off. I put it underneath a bathing suit. I mean, girl, you can use this in so many ways. If you're living in Florida, California, DC with a booty shaker's head, girl, you know you need this. You know you need this tape. So go to Boob Tape, check them out. I have a link below where you can go down there and go straight to their site. Check out all of the things they have. If you don't do anything else, get some nipple covers. Some of y'all need some nipple covers. Get some nipple covers, get some tape. Just, get 1 box. If you get 1 box of this, you're going to be a boob tape crackhead. Trust me. I love this stuff. So this is Just Queen Wells. Go check out Boob Tape. And thank you for sponsoring this video, Boob Tape. As always, mwah, I love you girls and guys. Talk to you later. Bye. Boob Tape, girl, look at this. I might not be as perky as a 20-year-old, but I'm just saying. I am just saying.